Imagine this, a world where you can create digital products with just a few prompts. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's the powerful combination of AI and human creativity, especially with tools like ChatGPT. Let me show you how to harness this magic in a practical, straightforward way. First, let's talk about what digital products really are. Think eBooks, online courses, printables, anything that can be created and distributed digitally. The beauty of digital products? They can generate passive income over time. You set it up once, and then it works for you. Now the big question is, how does AI come into play here? Here's where ChatGPT shines. This tool can help you brainstorm ideas, outline content, and even draft full sections. For instance, say you want to write an ebook about personal finance. You simply ask ChatGPT for ideas or even an outline. It'll suggest topics, something you might never have considered. That's pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the nuance. While AI is a powerhouse for generating content, it's important to remember it's only a tool. You need to refine and personalize the output. AI can give you a solid foundation, but your unique voice, insights, and expertise are what make the product valuable. Honestly, that personal touch is what sets your work apart in such a crowded market. Once you have your raw material, it's time to refine it. Here's a tip. Use ChatGPT to help with editing. You can input paragraphs and ask for suggestions on clarity, tone, or even length. You'd be amazed at how it can improve your initial drafts. Just remember, the AI is here to assist, not replace your creativity. It's about finding that balance. As you create, keep your target audience in mind. Use the insights provided by the AI to tailor your content to what they need. This could mean adding more detail where it's lacking, simplifying complex ideas, or even changing the format entirely. Think about what your audience struggles with and address those pain points directly. Now, after your product is polished, how do you get it out there? You need a strategy. Leverage social media, email marketing, and even platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to sell your digital products. Use AI once more for generating marketing content. Think catchy headlines or engaging social media posts. It's like having your personal marketer. Finally, let's talk about the future. The landscape of digital products is ever-changing, and AI is at the forefront. Stay updated on new tools and techniques. Experiment regularly and adapt your strategies based on what works best for you. The more you immerse yourself, the more you'll find the right blend of AI and your creativity. In summary, creating digital products using AI like ChatGPT is achievable and honestly, a game changer. It's about crafting unique content enriched with your experience, using AI for support. Embrace this technology, but let your creativity lead the way. What digital product are you thinking of creating? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you want help with this, let me know. I got you.